Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the battery so nothing shorts while you work. Use a Torx T8 to remove the visible screws and a small Phillips for hidden fasteners. This exposes the shell. Once the screws are out, use a plastic spudger to pry the halves apart gently to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to photograph the button plate and ribbon cable positions now. That saves time reassembling and explains why orientation matters for proper button travel. Once open, lift the PCB slightly to expose the rubber membrane and plastic button retainer. You want to see if dirt or a bent plastic tab is restricting movement. Use 70% or higher isopropyl on a swab to remove grime from the contact area and button underside. Then give it time to evaporate so you don't trap liquid. If a plastic clip is warped, carefully flex it back into place or replace the button piece. That's why cleaning alone sometimes won't free a mechanically jammed button. Reseat the rubber membrane and align the PCB and ribbon cable precisely, then close the shell until clips engage. Don't force screws if something feels misaligned, because that can bend plastic and reintroduce binding. Tighten screws evenly, reinstall the battery, and test the button across menus and games to confirm tactile travel and input. If the problem persists, perform a controller firmware reset, consider swapping the button module or thumb module, or seek a professional repair. These steps isolate software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.